So welcome to all of you. Now today we will see the sphere. Sphere. Uh, in So what is the definition of a sphere? Just like as a circle. So yeah, you know that what do you mean by a circle? The set of all points. The set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle. It's called a circle. And the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle. The same thing here now. A sphere is the locus of all points. So circle is what? Locus of all points. The locus of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Okay, so that is called a circle. So same thing here, what? The locus of a point which remains at a constant distance from a fixed point. So this is what here, this is the fixed point. So all are here what? In three dimensions, that is in the space. So it is just like as a ball. It is just like as a ball. Okay, so the constant distance is called the radius of the sphere, and the fixed point is called the center of the sphere. So this is called the center of the sphere, and this is called the radius of the sphere. Okay, now we'll see how to find the equation of the sphere when the radius is provided to you, and okay, so that is what center radius form. Center radius form. Center radius form. Okay. So theorem. The equation of the sphere with center ABC, and radius R is x square plus y square plus z square minus twice ax minus twice by minus twice cz plus a square plus b square plus c square minus r square is equal to 0. Okay, so proof. Okay, so the equation of the sphere with center at, okay, so let CABC be the center and R center of the sphere and R is the radius of the sphere. This is given to you. Okay, so let Pxyz. So you have to find a locus. Okay, so you have to find a locus. So that is what you have to find a locus means you have to find the equation of the sphere. That means you have to find the locus of this one. So what is the how to find the equation of the locus? Take any point on the locus, like Pxyz any point. Apply some geometrical condition and convert that geometrical condition into algebraic form. Algebraic form means what? In terms of xyz. Okay, so whatever the equation you get in terms of xyz, that will be your required equation of the locus. Okay, let Pxyz be any point on the sphere. So this is the general point on the sphere. You have to obtain the relation among xyz. Whatever the relation among xyz you get, so that will be the equation of the sphere. Okay, so we will apply the geometric condition. So this is P is on the sphere. So that means what? So this is equidistant from a center. So it, the distance from the center is nothing but the radius of the circle, radius of the sphere. So this is what? PC is equal to R. So therefore PC is equal to R. So therefore what? PC square is equal to R square. Now P is the point, C is the point, PC is the distance between P and C. So we'll apply the distance formula. So that is what then? X minus A bracket square, Y minus B bracket square, Z minus C bracket square is equal to R square. Okay. So now we will expand this. So this is the geometrical condition. PC is equal to R. So you have to convert this geometrical condition into algebraic form. So this is the algebraic form. Okay. So this is the center radius form. Okay. So we'll expand this. Actually, this is enough now. This is the center radius form. Remember that if the center and radius is given, just write this. This is what the equation of the sphere. I just expand this. So this is what then x square plus y square plus z square minus twice x minus twice by minus twice cz. The middle term now. Minus 2z plus now the square term b square c square is equal to r square. Now we can shift this r square, so we'll get this one. Okay, so this is what then x square plus y square minus twice x minus 2y minus twice c is equal to what? Just replace r square here and just write the bracket. You get the required equation of the sphere. Okay, so and this is called the center radius form of the equation of the sphere. So just remember this center radius form of the equation of the sphere is this. This will be your required. For while solving the problem, use this. Okay, but you have to simplify this now. So what is the note? This is note. The equation of the sphere. The equation Okay, so instead of that, we'll write the characteristic of the equation of the sphere 1. So it is second degree equation in x, y, z. The sphere is the second degree equation in x, y, z. Second, coefficients of x square, y square, z square are same. Coefficients of x, y, z square are same and non-zero. And the third important is what? The product terms x, y, x, z, y, z are absent. Okay. Next, general equation of sphere. General equation of sphere. A equation of the type x square plus y square plus z square plus twice ux plus twice vy plus twice z plus twice wz plus d is equal to 0, where u v w d belongs to r, u square plus v square plus w square minus d is greater than 0, represent sphere with center minus u minus v minus w and radius root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. You have to take the care of this thing. Okay, so center and radius of this. Okay, we'll prove this one. Consider the equation. I'll call this as equation. I want to show that this represents the sphere. So what I will do, I will write this x square plus twice ux, y square plus twice vy plus z square plus twice wz and plus these here. Okay, I will do it. I will write this as a perfect square now. This is what x plus u bracket square minus u square. Okay, so if you expand it, what we get? X square plus twice ux plus u square minus u square. U square get cancelled. So you don't have u square. Okay. So therefore we have subtracted this u square here. Same thing here. What? Y plus v bracket square minus v square. Z plus w bracket square minus w square plus d is equal to 0. So this is what then x minus of minus u bracket square y minus of minus v bracket square z minus of minus w bracket square is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Right? So this is of the form. This is of the form x minus a bracket square y minus b bracket square z minus c bracket square is equal to r square. Okay. So therefore equation 1 represent a sphere with center So center is what here? A, B, C is the center. What is your A? A is minus U, minus B is minus V, and your C is what? Minus W. With center minus U, minus V, minus W. And radius. So R square is equal to this. Okay. So this is what? Radius is root of U square plus V square minus W square minus D, as u square plus v square plus w square minus d is greater than 0. Because what? Root of the negative number does not exist. So it is provided to you. This is greater than 0. So this will be the radius and that will be the center. So that means if your sphere is like this, then the half of the coefficient, half and negatives of the coefficient of x, y, z is nothing but the coordinates of the coordinates of the center of the sphere. Okay. So if your equation is like this, then center is what? Minus u minus v minus w. That means if you want to find the center radius of the circle, so what we have to combine this equation with this. Okay. Comparing this equation with this, so find out the twice u, twice v, twice w and d, and your center will be what? Minus u minus vw, and radius is what? Root of just the sum of the squares of the center now, and just subtract the constant. Whatever this, if it is minus, then this becomes plus now. Okay. So you have to take the care. You have to subtract d. Okay. So we'll see some problems on it now. So what we have to do that the general second degree equation represent a sphere if the coefficients of x square, y square, z squares are same. Okay, so problem, find the center and radius of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus twice x plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 2. Okay. Solution. The equation given that the equation of sphere is I'll call this as 1. Okay. So comparing this equation with this equation with x square plus y square plus z square plus twice ux plus twice py plus twice wz plus d is equal to 0. So we have to write this equation in the equal to 0 form. So we write this in the equal to 0 form. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So twice u is equal to minus 2. Twice v is equal to 4. Twice w is equal to minus 6. And d is equal to, along with the sign, minus 2. Okay. So u is equal to minus 1. V is equal to 2. W is equal to minus 3. And d is equal to minus 2. Okay. Center. Minus u, minus v, minus w. Okay. So minus u is 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Radius is equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So this is root of u is what? 1 square minus twice square minus 3 square. Oh, no need to write a minus sign here actually. This is minus 1 square. No problem if you write minus sign. Then what your d? D is what? Minus 2. So this is what? Plus 2. So this is what? 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. Okay. So this is what? This is 16. Root 16. So this is 4 now. So this is 4. Okay. We'll take the next problem. Find the center and radius of the sphere twice x square plus twice y square plus twice z square minus twice x plus 4y minus twice z plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, solution. Given that equation of sphere is this. Okay, this is the equation of the sphere is equal. But what here? Coefficients of x square, y square, z square all is same but not equal to 1. So what we do? We divide by 2 now. So this is what is x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 2y minus z plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. I will call this as 1 now. Okay. Comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus z square equal to this. Okay. So you get twice u is equal to what? Minus 1. Twice v is equal to 2. Twice w is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to plus 3 by 2. Okay. So this is what? Minus half. This is 1 minus half. Okay. So now your center is what? Minus u minus v minus w. So this is half 1 half now. You have to change the sign. Okay. Then this is what? Minus half square minus 1 square. Okay. So this is 1 square plus minus half square minus d. So minus 3 by 2. So this is what? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So I write here now. This is root of. Okay. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. This is half. Half plus 1 is what? 3 by 2. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So it is 0 now. Okay. So this is 0. So radius is 0. Actually this is not a sphere there. Okay. But don't worry about this one. Whatever the problem there is one. Radius is 0. Radius cannot be 0 now. Radius cannot be 0. But we got here the radius is 0 now here. Okay. So that means it is not a sphere. But by formula and by this we get the correct. Okay. So the problem is wrong actually because we get a radius is 0 now. And the radius of the sphere cannot be 0. Okay. Fine. So I hope that you can understand how to find the radius and the center of the sphere. Any sphere. If the coefficient of x square, y square, z square is not 1, we have to make it as 1 now by dividing this. Just comparing this one. So you have the formula for center minus u minus v minus w, and radius is what? Root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Okay. So with the help of this one, you can solve any problem. Okay. So we'll take the next problem. Find the equation. Find the equation of the sphere whose center is 1 minus 2 3 and radius is 6. Okay, so solution. Just here is the point. Okay, solution. The equation of the sphere whose center and radius is provided to you. Whose center is this and radius is 6 is. Just write this as is. Okay. So x minus 1 bracket square, y plus 2 bracket square, z minus 3 bracket square is equal to 6 square. Just very simple now. Just we have to subtract from x, y, z now and take the sum of the squares of that one. Okay. So now we will expand this. This is what x square plus y square plus z square. If it is a sphere, whatever the coefficient of a square, that is same as the y square and z square. Okay. So this is what then minus twice x plus 4y minus 6z. What is the constant here? Plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus 36 is equal to 0. So this is what x square plus y square plus z square minus twice x plus 4y minus 6z. So this is what 14. So this 14 you have to subtract this one. So this is what then 22. Minus 22 is equal to 0. Next, find the equation of the sphere whose center is 1 minus 3 2 and which passes through origin. So here what happened? We are given the center of the circle. Okay, solution. Let C1 minus 3 2 be the center of the sphere. Okay, so radius is not given. Okay, sphere is passing through origin O 0 0 0. It is passing through origin. That means what? Origin lies on the sphere. And distance of any point from the sphere to the distance of any point of the center from the of the sphere from the center is same as the radius of the sphere. So radius is equal to what? Radius is equal to OC. So this is what then 1 minus 0 square minus 3 minus 0 square 2 minus 0 square. So actually what? This is just the square of the coordinates of the C only. Okay. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is root 14 now. This is what then root 14 is the radius of the sphere. So therefore by center radius form the equation of sphere is x minus 1 square y plus 3 square z minus 2 square is equal to root 14 square. Okay, we'll expand this. This is what then note that your sphere is passing through origin. That means constant term is absent now. Okay, so we'll write a constant term 0. So this is very simple now to expand this. Minus, so just write the middle term only. 6y minus 4z is equal to 0. Because there is no constant. Because your sphere is passing through origin. any curve passing through origin, the constant term is absent. Okay, so don't collect a constant. If you collect a constant, no problem. For this is the 14, and see this is 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14, 14 get cancelled. Okay, so this is the required equation of the sphere. So here what, the radius is not given. To find the equation of the sphere, what we need, if the center is provided to you, you need the radius of the sphere. Okay. So that means what, if you want to find the equation of the sphere, try to find the center and radius of the sphere. Okay. Find the equation, of the sphere whose center is at O -1 to -3 and which passes through the point. So this is what O. Find the equation of sphere whose center is not at edge, whose center is -1 to -3 and which passes through the point 2 -1 -1, 2 -2 -1. Okay, so now the center is given to you. You want to find the radius of the sphere. Okay, solution. Let C -1 to -3 be the center of the sphere. Given that sphere passing through P 2 -1 -1, 2 -1 -1. So therefore radius is equal to CP or PC, whatever this is PC. We'll find this by the distance formula. Okay, so this is what, 2 plus 1 bracket square -1 -2 bracket square -1 plus 3 bracket square. Okay, so this is what I have subtracted P from C. Okay, so 2 minus of -1, so 2 plus 1. So this is what, 9 plus 9, this is minus 3, 9. So this is what, 2, so this is 4. So this is what, 22. This is 22. So 22 is the radius, root 22 is the radius of the, okay. So by center radius form, equation of sphere is what, x plus 1 bracket square y minus 2 bracket square z plus 3 bracket square is equal to root 22 bracket square. Okay, so we'll write directly in the standard form, twice x minus 4y plus 6z. Now what are the constant here? Constant is 1, 4, this is 4, 9, 14 and minus 22. So what, you have to subtract this. So this is what, minus 8 now. Minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the sphere. Okay. So I hope that you understand how to find an equation of the circle if you have the center, right? So and you can find the radius of the sphere if the point is on the sphere is given to you. So by center radius form, how to apply the center radius form, okay, and how to find the equation of the sphere by using the center radius form. Okay. So in the next part we will see how to find the equation of the sphere if the endpoints of the diameter are given to you. Okay. So now we stop here.